Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a super cool 2021 XC60 T6 Momentum. This is in denim blue with a charcoal interior. Check out those 22-inch wheels. Got all-weather tires, exterior styling kit, full LED active bending Thor's hammer headlights. Those fog lights are LED as well. Just super bright. City safety collision avoidance, cross traffic alert with auto braking, blind spot information system, lane keeping aid are all standard features. This does have the advanced package, so you get the graphic heads-up display, the 360-degree camera, and the wireless phone charging in the front. Keyless entry, hands-free power lift gate are also standard features. I love those distinct taillights. More of that styling kit on the back. Plenty of cargo space. This has the optional divider, metal divider. Great for keeping dogs where they should be, right in the back. Panoramic sunroof. There's rubber mats throughout with the protection package. Sure does get dark early here. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Just kidding, it's 4 o'clock. This has the booster seats in the back, which will be a challenge to see in the dark. Trust me, they're there. Good opportunity to see the illuminated door handles. We have the upgraded Harman Kardon stereo system. Linear lime deco inlays. Your safety features listed upon startup. Your wireless phone charging here. Climate control here. Easy to use touchscreen. Let's set the mood a little bit. So if you drop this down and under settings, we'll go to My Car, we'll go to Displays, Display Themes, and it comes with the factory setting is glass, so you'll probably see it just like this. I like chrome rings. If you're feeling sporty, you could do performance. That's all right here. Back to chrome rings. And then we're gonna go back and back one more time. I want to do lighting, interior lighting, and right now, let's see, you can have it set by temperature, which is cool. Watch your car warm up a little bit, or you can choose the color. So I like purple, so the light that comes down that shines is not quite dark enough to see, and the light on the doorways, the door handles, will be that purple. Kind of hard to see. Navigation. This has the 360-degree camera, which is right here. Sirius XM radio, all set to go. If you're interested in checking out this XC60 or any other on the lot, please join us on Route 1 in Scarborough, and we'll get you set up for a test drive. This is stock number 21058. Thank you for watching from Portland Volvo.